Brown, blue, and green are the live wires. Black is the neutral line. Power on. Set the height here. The current height is 300 millimeters. Then set the height. The button can switch digits. And the button can change the numerical value. For example, the current height is set to 400 millimeters. After setting up, click Confirm. Then it rises. Set the height to 1 meter before testing. Start testing after reaching a height of 1 meter. Click this button to reset. Automatic rise. Now lower the test height to 800 millimeters. Change testing method. First, fix the cardboard box securely. Both knobs on both sides should be locked tightly. The current height is 800 millimeters. Start testing. Reset. Now testing the edges of the cardboard box. Raise the height to 1 meter. Fell off. Reset.